Starting with the name of Allah Almighty, who is the master of the day of judgment, and a bundle of Durud Salam on beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Dear students, mathematics, chapter number 7 for New Secondary Mathematics, book 1, class 6, subject students, and chapter 9 for New Syllabus Mathematics, D1 for A-level, O-level students, Oxford class. And practice number 9 is: a ship left port X at 2245 hours on Friday and arrived at port Y 7 whole number 1/4 hours later. At what time and day did the ship arrive at port Y? So students, there are two ways to solve this question. One way is we will draw the number line or a line to show the time, and students, departure time dp will be dp departure time dt. Departure time is 2245 hours, and the journey time is students 7 whole number 1/4 hours, and we have to find arrival time and day. Students, first we will convert 7 whole number 1/4 hours into hours and minutes. So it is 7 hours, and 1/4 will be multiplied by 60 to convert it into minutes. So 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 0s are 0, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, and 1 carry, and 2 5s are 15. So it is 7 hours and 15 minutes is our journey time. So students, from this 1/4 means 15 time, and we will add these 15 minutes in this time, and it will become 2300 hours. And left over there are 7 hours, so it is 2400 hours, and it means we can say that it is 000 after 1 hour, and it is 1 hour. And now students, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 hours. There are 7 hours, and it is 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 hours. So it is 060 is our arrival time, and it is next day. I mean to say the next day is Saturday, so the arrival time is 0600 hours on Saturday. And the other way is, students, we will apply the formula, and the formula is journey time is equal to arrival time minus departure time. So students, journey time is given, that is 7 whole number 1/4 hours. Arrival time we have to find. And departure time is 2245 hours. So students, 2245 hours are minus on right side. When we transfer it to the side, it will become plus, and we have to convert 1/4 hours into minutes. And the easiest way is this way, but we have to solve this question with both the methods. So students, as I have converted 7 whole number 1/4 hours into minutes and hours, so it is 7:15 or 07:15 hours. I explain it again. 7 whole number 1/4 hours mean that there are 7 hours, and 1/4 will be multiplied by 60 to convert it into minutes. So students, 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4, and 2 carry, and 4 5s are 15, and it is 7 hours and and 15 minutes, and in 2400 hours it is written as 0715. It means that first two digits are the digits of hours and the last two digits are the digits for minutes. So it is journey time is written as 7 hours and 15 minutes, and 2245 hours are minus on right side. When we transfer it to the side, it will become plus, and written as 2245 hours is equal to arrival time, and we have to find arrival time and the day. And now students, we will sum up both the numbers or both the times, and that will be the arrival time and day for the ship to arrive at port Y. So students, we will add both the numbers in working. 0715 and 2245. Here students, keep in mind that first two digits are the digits for minutes, whereas last two digits are for hours. So students, you should keep in mind that if there are 60 minutes, that is 1 hour. So when we add 5 plus 5, it will become 10 and 1 carry. 4 plus 1 plus 4 1 plus 5 and 1 carry means 6, and 2 plus 7 means 9, and it is 2. So students, these are 60 minutes. So when we divide 60 by 60, it means it is 1 hour and there is no remainder. So here I will write 0 0, and 1 carry is given to this 9, and it will become 9 and 1 10, and 1 carry, it is 300 hours. And we know that 1 day is equal to 2400 hours. So when we subtract 2400 hours, it means that the 1 day is behind or 1 day is past, and the leftover will be 0 0 6 and 0. So arrival time is 0600. Next day is the arrival time, and next day means Saturday. So the arrival time is equal to 0600 hours Saturday. And on number line, I have explained it as well, and there also the answer was 0600 hours. So students, here I want to explain this thing again. When we add minutes, you should keep in mind that 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. So if there are 60 minutes, these 60 minutes will make 1 hour, and then that hour will be given 1 carry to 29, and it will become 30, and it is 300 hours. And we know that 1 day is equal to 2400 hours. So we will subtract 2400 from 300, and it is 0600 hours. Next day, as 2400 hours are passed, means 1 day is passed, and next day is Saturday. So the arrival time of the ship at Port Y is 0600 hours on Saturday. Students, practice note 10 of the same chapter is: a bus left CTP at 10:45 hours and arrived at CTQ at 23:11 hours on the same day. How long was the bus journey? So students, departure time is 10:45 hours, whereas arrival time is 23:11 hours, and we have to find journey time. So students, we will apply both the methods, the number line methods. So we will draw a line, and it is departure time, and departure time is, students, 11:45, and arrival time is 23:11. So students, First, we will add 15 minutes in these 45 minutes, and that will become 11 hours, 1100 hours. So if we add 15 minutes here, students, it will become 1100 hours. Now students, we will count 1100 hours, 1200 hours, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and students 21, 22, it is 2200 hours, and students the total time is 2300 hours. So students, it is 2300 hours and there are 11 minutes. So students, now count the hours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12 hours. 12 hours plus 15 plus 11, these 11 minutes, and the total time will be 12 hours and 26 minutes, and it is written as 12:26 hours. The journey time is 12:2600 hours. And the second way is, we will write the formula that journey time is equal to arrival time minus departure time. Now we will apply the second formula. Now students, formula is journey time is equal to arrival time minus departure time, and journey time we have to find, and arrival time is 23:11 hours minus 10:45 hours. Now students, in working we will subtract 10:45 from 23:11, so 23:11 and 10:45. Here students, keep in mind that when we will take one carry from hours, it will give 6 carry, not 10, because if there are 60 minutes, then 60 minutes will make 1 hour, and if we take carry from hour, it means that we are taking 60 minutes as carry, and 45 cannot be subtracted from 11, so we will take one carry from here, and it will become 60 minutes. Here will be 2, and here the minutes will be 60. Now students, we will sum up the minutes, and it is written as 22 hours and 71 minutes minus 10 hours and 45 minutes. Now students, we will subtract minutes from minutes and hours from hours. Take one carry from 7 and it will become 11. 11 minus 5 means 6, and from here we have taken one carry, and left over will be 6. 6 minus 4 mean 2, and 2 minus 0 mean 2, and 2 minus 1 mean 1. So again the time is 12:26 hours is the journey time. Students, it is new thing for you people. Keep in mind that when there are 60 minutes, then it will give one carry to the next hour, because 60 minutes make 1 hour. Here you have some confusion for some times, but when you will be able to understand it, then there will be no confusion that how we can take 60 as carry from hours, because 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So in minutes we will add 60 minutes, and then we will subtract minutes from minutes and hours from hours. So students, it's enough for today. May Allah Almighty bless you all the time, and have a good day.